boy. Ndị a ya run ndị Igbo. You are forcing us to be Igbo. You are forcing us to be Igbo. See them. They are singing and gyrating in Igbo language. Ask me why these people are celebrating. You see, ignorance is more expensive than education. Even though I know that some people can be educated and still be ignorant and daft at the same time. But ignorance is more expensive than education. You might think education in Nigeria is a waste of time, money, and energy. But ignorance is worse. Ignorance will leave you in poverty, wretched poverty. Where there is a prevalent ignorance, there's an abject poverty. That is the bottom line of the situation we find ourselves in Nigeria. Tell me why these people are celebrating. In few months, it will become 2 years, 365 days multiplied by 2 that SIM has been in power. No single project has commissioned. Look at what Enugu State is doing. Look at what Lagos State is doing. Look at what even the Wike is doing in Abuja. But you are celebrating that the federal government will stop giving allocation to your state development, to your own state development. Tell me why you are celebrating. Ignorance is expensive. Energy will take you to recover from ignorance. The money will take you to recover from this ignorant celebration. It will take years. Many of you would have even died. You are happy that 2 people are fighting to the detriment of millions of River State citizens. To the detriment of millions of River State citizens, whether it's Joe, whether it's even the Ikwere that claim they are not Igbo. You are celebrating it. Wike that is already made. SIM that is already made. You are celebrating. Instead of you to protest that you need government to release money for projects and development to reach your people, you are celebrating that one person is seizing the money. Look at it. If somebody even tell me they are not Igbo, I might even agree. Because this is not how Igbo man would have acted. Oh, Imo State people do not like Hope Uzodinma. It wasn't their choice. Did they go on the street and protest? No. Imo State is still working. After election, Enugu State did not like Peter Mba. But Peter Mba is working even better than even so many governors in Nigeria. You are celebrating. Trivial reasons. Misplaced priority. When you are supposed to join hands together with the present governor to see how you will develop your state. You are clapping hands for someone who is in Abuja, living well with steady life, doing work and collecting his own money. That is what you are celebrating. Same thing happening in my own Delta state. Some people will be following Okowa to be fighting Ned Nwoko. Ned Nwoko don't live in Unana, don't join APC. Still making his money so that if you believe APC can rig election, they will rig him into power in 2027. Shebuna, they threaten him. He cannot come back because he told people he want to create a state and take it to Southeast. And I have Randy Igbo. Don't call us Igbo. You are forcing us to be Igbo. Igbo people, this is why I hate Igbo people. I don't like the Igbos. What did Igbo people do to you? Are you not Igbo? Now see the newspaper during the Civil War. What did they call you? Eka Igbo. Why they not call you Eka Bini? The descendant of Bini. Why they not call you Eka so? Eka is Eka. Bini is Bini. Igbo is Igbo. Eka is not Igbo. Why did they put Eka Igbo there? Even if you think they did not spell it I-G-B-O, but they spell it I-B-O. Why didn't they stop what will happen to Eka? Why did the newspaper connect you to them? They even write it. In fact, read the newspaper, pause and read it. The paper was saying, forecasting that if we bribe and succeed to leave, because people don't want to join them, you deny that you are not Igbo, that you will be marginalized because you are going to be a minority. They know you are Igbo. I told you this thing. Your enemy knows you more than you know yourself. You will be marginalized in Nigeria if Biafra has succeeded to leave. When I get luck that people like us, their normal son today, are trying to identify with the majority. You are supposed to join Igbo to be majority, but you want to become a minority. If they leave you, you be, not be even minority go be, because you cannot reach anywhere. Benue even be big tribe they recognize. It can't be you. Urobo even big pass a car as a whole. Yet Urobo never found they produce vice president, talk less of president, even deputy speaker. They never found they produce. Deputy speaker, deputy senate, Urobo never produce one. Can't be you, Eka. Who will remember you? But your son Okowa would have been a vice president because he identified as Igbo. That's why I think we pick him to run as an Igbo vice president, so that if you have a northern this thing, a Muslim, you have a Christian and Igbo to run. I'm out of here, dude.